Theatre plays an important role in the educational environment, and it's a platform for students that helps them to learn not only knowledge and content, but also values about living together and social skills. In order to make the most of theatre's potential, it's essential to create a supportive classroom atmosphere that promotes safety, creativity, imagination, trust, and community among students. This guide aims to provide practical guidance on how to achieve this. A safe and inclusive space is where everyone feels respected, valued, and accepted regardless of identity, background, orientation, gender, ability, or opinion. In such a space, people can freely express themselves, share their ideas, and be authentic without fear of discrimination, judgment, or bullying. Sharing ideas and emotions through activities that require creative and physical expression is not easy, and there are two issues that shouldn't be forgotten. The first is that the current education system doesn't encourage this type of experience, and students are not used to it. And the second is that not all the students we have look the same. There are the intrepid, the shy, the insecure, the apathetic. The challenge is therefore to develop strategies that allow us to create a safe and inclusive space to encourage creative expression and make students feel comfortable. Some key strategies include: establish clear rules that promote respect and acceptance of diversity. This may include activities to promote awareness, which can be carried out both in daily sessions and, in particular, in tutorial sessions. Examples include discussion circles where students can express their opinions and listen to others in a respectful way, inviting experts to give talks and workshops on respect and empathy, disseminating positive messages, and identifying celebrities who promote or have promoted these values, etc. Value the diversity and individuality of students. Celebrate individual differences, especially towards students with disabilities or special learning needs, and highlight the contribution that diversity brings to the theatre. Create a non-judgmental environment. Create an environment where students feel safe to express themselves without fear or judgment. Promote the idea that there are no right or wrong answers in theatre, and that exploration and experimentation are fundamental to creative growth. Imagination is the ability to visualize and conceive situations, characters, and scenarios in a realistic way. Imagination helps theatre artists to immerse themselves in the roles they play, to understand the emotions of the characters. Creativity is the ability to generate new ideas, concepts, and original approaches. Creativity and imagination are pillars of theatre, and it's important to encourage these qualities in the classroom. Some effective strategies include introducing improvisation exercise, role-playing, creative writing and body and voice exploration techniques. These activities help students develop their ability to think out of the ordinary and generate new ideas. Exploring theatre techniques and styles. Introducing students to different theatre techniques, such as physical theatre, shadow theatre, or object theatre, and encourages them to experiment with them. Encourage critical thinking and creative problem solving. Provide theatrical challenges and require students to use their creativity and critical thinking to find solutions. Theatre is a collaborative art that requires trust and teamwork. It's important to build a sense of community and respect among the students. Some useful strategies are the role of trust and teamwork in drama. Explain to students how trust and collaboration are fundamental to theatre making and how these skills can be applied in other areas of life. Examples of activities include confidence exercises in taking turns to take the role of leader in activities, sharing personal experiences or challenges that students have faced in a safe and respectful environment, doing creative projects together, etc. Team building activities and trust games. Carry out activities that encourage communication, collaboration, and connection between students. Activities such as group problem solving, treasure search, building challenges, etc. are necessary to build trust. Encourage cooperation and effective communication. Provide opportunities for students to work together on theatre projects, whether it's setting sets, producing a play, or organizing a theatre festival. These experiences encourage the development of teamwork skills and promote mutual understanding. Celebrating individual and collective achievements. They build their self-confidence and show them that their efforts and dedication are valued. Creating a theatre-friendly classroom environment requires a planned and deliberate approach. Theatre not only provides a platform for creative expression but also promotes social, emotional and cognitive skills that are fundamental to the educational process and the holistic development of students. In short, creating a theatre-friendly classroom environment provides opportunities to explore a creative potential, develop communication, collaboration and problem-solving skills, and build a strong community based on mutual respect and trust. This approach has benefits not only in the theatre, but also in other areas of the personal and academic development.